Bullish Kadena cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5.36 and $10.12 by 2030. Market experts accept KDA could reach $4.17 by 2025. Bearish Kadena market cost expectation for 2023 is 95 cents. Kadena presentation. The development and dangerous development of the digital money industry have been very problematic. Organizations and monetary connections won't ever continue as before. Nonetheless, blockchain and crypto innovations are as yet growing, and a significant mechanical hole should be spanned to consider the total and consistent reconciliation of crypto and blockchain innovation into all circles of the business world. Because of this hole, Kadena guarantees a blockchain innovation, on whose establishment the blockchain would reform how the world monetarily collaborates and executes business. What is Kadena? The thought behind the Kadena project was that the world required an innovative extension to interface the nearly alienated universes of business and blockchain. Because of this requirement for participation between the business and blockchain world, the designers of Kadena made an exclusive chain engineering that houses the imperative devices and assets to make blockchain usable in business, as well as convey the advantages of speed, versatility, and effectiveness. Sent off in 2016, Kadena is a divided and versatile Layer 1 proof-of-work organization. It utilizes the specific POW agreement component utilized by Bitcoin, guaranteeing security and computerized uprightness while improving handling proficiency and adaptability. Before Kadena's rise, versatility for POW stages was inconceivable. Nonetheless, with its multi-chain mesh design, Kadena places adaptability in POW frameworks. Kadena likewise guarantees more brilliant and more secure shrewd agreements through settlement. The programming language inside the Kadena environment is intended to be reasonable to designers and non-engineers. The language, among different items, adds to the lavishness of the Kadena environment. Dissimilar to the Bitcoin organization, Kadena professes to be vastly versatile and guarantees the best stage to help blockchain joining for organizations and worldwide monetary communications. Its mind-boggling pace and handling effectiveness little affect its energy utilization as the organization vows to keep up with its energy productive status even as handling and throughput extend. Kadena likewise makes it workable for organizations to take the brunt of charges installments from their clients through the production of crypto corner stores which organizations can use to balance their clients' exchange expenses. As Kadena planned, this eliminates a huge hindrance to embracing blockchain and digital currencies for business. Kadena current cost. Kadena is as of now worth $1.19 USD. KDA has moved 0.97% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,542,650. Kadena is as of now positioned 137 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $274,319,983 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Kadena to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Kadena market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Kadena Value Forecast 2023. Kadena, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The KDA cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.79. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.67 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. KDA is supposed to have a base worth of $1.43. Kadena Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Kadena KDA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KDA will before long outperform $2.98. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the KDA's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, KDA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.38 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.62. Kadena Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.17 and KDA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KDA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.81 and a low of $3.57 in 2025. Kadena Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Kadena effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the KDA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KDA will be green in 2026. The KDA is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $5.36, with a base cost of $4.76 and a typical cost of $5. Kadena Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the KDA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.19 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.95 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KDA has a greatest value worth of $6.55. Kadena Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.38. In the event that KDA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $7.74. Neglecting to assemble the help KDA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $7.14. Kadena Value Expectation 2029. While KDA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $8.33 and a yearly cost close above $8.93 in 2029. Kadena Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Kadena will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $9.52 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $10.12, averaging out at $9.76. Kadena Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest KDA cost in 2031 is projected to be $11.67 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $11.19. And, in spite of the developing guidelines and fights, blockchain and cryptographic forms of money are definitely staying put. Stages like Kadena, with their advances, are expected to overcome any issues among organizations in the blockchain business. It is, consequently, protected to express that as crypto reception grows inside the business climate, Kadena's fortune is probably going to shoot through the rooftop. What is the Kadena cost today? Today, Kadena is exchanging at $1.19 with a complete market capitalization of $274,319,983. Is Kadena a wise speculation? Kadena ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that KDA is a decent decision of venture. How high could Kadena at any point go? The typical cost of Kadena might conceivably reach $1.67 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Kadena might outperform $7.74.